When you arrive at the charging station, you can use your browser to control the charger by opening www.parkncharge.ph. After opening the portal, click Booking to open the ParkNcharge map. Then click OK. And click Proceed. A map is displayed with your EV location. Click the target station and you need to log in to control this charger. This is the login menu. Please enter your mobile number. Then enter your account password. And click Submit when done. The green bar means you have successfully logged into the system. Click the EV station you are controlling now. Click the time slot range you are in. Click Reserve, and a success message means that you can now plug the cable to your EV. Open the EV charger port cover, remove the secondary cover, and plug your adapter if necessary. Pull the gun plug from the charger and plug to your EV. The system is now charging. You can validate by looking at the built-in LCD display of the charger. A normal charging current reading is about 30 amps. To end your charging, just unplug the gun. Return it to the charger. You are now all set to go. Your account will be automatically deducted after. Thanks for watching.